everyone, I'm Dr. Season. Welcome to our course, Methods of Research. Research involves systematic, objectives, and logical procedures. It uses systematic methods of problem solving. And today, we're going to discuss the different steps in the research process.
According to Cortez and Gallman in 2018, the following are the parts of a research process. The problem identification and hypothesis formulation is the first step of academic research across disciplines. It begins with generating a research ideas or a research topic. The sources of these research ideas are everyday life, practical and current issues, previous researches, and existing theories. Problem may be identified based on the following. Number 1. Personal interest and competence. Number 2. Relevance. And number 3 is feasibility. The topic must be engaging to your interest and expertise. For instance, if your field of specialization is mathematics, the topic must be within the teaching of mathematics education. However, if your field of specialization is biology or science, the topic must be forged within your discipline, not in physical education or any other fields. The topic must be relevant as it promises to provide new knowledge or information, or even offer a solution to an existing problem. For feasibility, you consider the availability of relevant data, limits and constraints of time and resources, samples, and manageability of research methodology. Next process is literature search and review. The review of related literature is important not only in the identification of problem and the formulation of hypotheses, but also the formulation of research design and methodology. Among the sources of information that can be used for literature review are books, journals, theses and dissertations, and computer databases. Next is the formulation of the statement of the problem. A statement of the problem is a concise description of the issues that need to be addressed by the researcher. The problem statement is the researcher's guide during the research process. It is the verbalization and articulation, as well as the analysis of the questions in which the researcher wants the research to answer. Researchers formulate research design and methodology before collecting the data to guide their conduct of research. Each research methodology and design has sets of assumptions, concepts, and values, which the researchers must know and understand. According to its design and methodology, a research can be quantitative or qualitative in nature. This part describes the activities that you need to undertake to collect, organize, analyze, and interpret needed data. The method involving data analysis depends on the research design of the study. Reporting of the results and findings of the study. This part of the process presents and interpolates the answers to the formulated research question. Technically, the questions are stated in declarative form. Each question is then followed by the answer, to which implications, conclusions, and recommendations are to be based. The last step is the dissemination of the results and findings of the study. Research results are shared and disseminated by joining various fora like in-house reviews, research presentations, and by way of publication. Now here is my question. Why do you think that research results or findings should be disseminated? Type your answers on the comment section of this FB page group. Thank you and keep safe.